Cryolipolysis, commonly known as fat freezing, is a non-invasive cosmetic procedure that aims to reduce localized areas of body fat. It involves the use of controlled cooling to freeze and destroy fat cells without damaging the surrounding tissues. During a cryolipolysis treatment, a specialized device is applied to the targeted area of the body, such as the abdomen, flanks, thighs, or arms. The device uses suction to draw the area of fat between two cooling panels. The cooling process lowers the temperature of the fat cells, causing them to crystallize and undergo a natural cell death process known as apoptosis. Over time, the body's natural metabolic processes clear away the destroyed fat cells, resulting in a gradual reduction in fat layer thickness in the treated area. The treated fat cells are gradually eliminated and are not replaced by new fat cells. Cryolipolysis is a non-surgical alternative to procedures like liposuction and is typically considered a safe and well-tolerated treatment. It is generally used for body contouring rather than overall weight loss. However, it is important to note that cryolipolysis is not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and a balanced diet. How long does it typically take to see results after a cryolipolysis treatment? After a cryolipolysis treatment, it typically takes some time for the body to gradually eliminate the destroyed fat cells and for noticeable results to become apparent. The timeline for seeing results can vary among individuals, but here are some general guidelines. Initial changes. Some individuals may start to notice initial changes within a few weeks after the treatment. This can include a subtle reduction in the thickness of the treated area or a change in the way clothes fit. Progressive improvement. Over the following weeks and months, the body continues to metabolize and eliminate the damaged fat cells. During this time, the treated area may continue to slim down and become more sculpted. The most significant improvements are typically seen around the 2 to 3 month mark. Full results. The final results of cryolipolysis can be seen around 3 to 4 months after the treatment. At this point, the body has completed the process of clearing away the destroyed fat cells, and the full extent of the fat reduction can be appreciated. It's important to note that individual experiences may vary, and some individuals may see results sooner or later than the typical timeline. Multiple treatment sessions may be recommended to achieve desired results, depending on the individual's goals and the specific treatment area. More information on how cryolipolysis works to eliminate fat cells. Cryolipolysis works by selectively targeting and damaging fat cells through controlled cooling. Here's a more detailed explanation of the process. Applicator placement. The cryolipolysis procedure begins with the placement of a specialized applicator on the target area of the body. The applicator creates a vacuum-like suction to draw the fatty tissue between two cooling panels. Controlled cooling. Once the fatty tissue is secured within the applicator, the cooling process begins. The cooling panels deliver controlled and precise cooling to the targeted area. The temperature is carefully regulated to a level that is sufficient to induce fat cell death, approximately -5 to -10 degrees Celsius or 23 to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Cryolipolysis effect. Prolonged exposure to the cold temperatures triggers a process known as apoptosis in the fat cells. Apoptosis is a natural cell death mechanism. The cooling selectively affects the fat cells while leaving the surrounding tissues unharmed, such as the skin, muscles, and nerves. Fat cell destruction. As a result of the cooling, the fat cells crystallize and undergo structural damage. This damage disrupts the integrity of the fat cells, leading to their gradual breakdown. Inflammatory response. The body's immune system recognizes the damaged fat cells as waste material and initiates an inflammatory response. Inflammatory cells gradually infiltrate the treated area to clear away the damaged fat cells. Fat clearance. Over time, The body's natural metabolic processes remove the damaged fat cells from the body. The lymphatic system plays a crucial role in carrying away the broken down fat and eliminating it through natural bodily processes. Results: as the damaged fat cells are cleared, the treated area gradually becomes slimmer and more contoured. The reduction in fat layer thickness becomes noticeable in the weeks and months following the treatment. It's important to note that cryolipolysis is designed to target and eliminate stubborn pockets of fat that are resistant to diet and exercise. It is not intended for overall weight loss. The procedure is generally considered safe, but it's crucial to consult with a qualified healthcare professional.